Okay, so I'm going to show you how to pick your picture for your portrait project, change it to the right size, and also posterize it using a website. So first you're going to find your photo that you want to use for your drawing of someone that has made a change on the world or influenced change by their actions and words. So I'm going to do Malala, who has written a book and was shot in the head by Taliban based on her standing up for rights for women education and women's schools. So I'm going to click on images of her, and I'm looking for a picture that is very clear and of her head and shoulders. So for example, this would be too much. I just want to see her upper part. I don't want her whole body because the more I zoom in onto this, the more blurry it will get. So I'm looking for just head and shoulders, and I'm going to actually select this one. So I'm going to right click, hit save image, hit save. Okay. Then I'm going to posterize the image. So I'm going to go to Google again. I'm going to posterize photo. I'm going to click the first one. Okay. And it's going to take me to this page. So I'm going to scroll down to where I can select my photo. I'm going to choose file, select my image of Malala, open. Then it's going to be the posterized level. Now what this means is that this is a number of values it's going to show on the face, going from dark to light, and it's going to break it up into shapes. So I would play around with this and see what you like. I'm going to start with 6, and we do want it to change the color to black and white so that we can just focus on one color when we paint these. So click black and white, and we want it to be a JPEG, and everything else looks good. Then hit OK. Hit open processed image so we can view what it looks like. And this is what we get. So you can see all of these little shapes are broken down in here. So right now it looks very realistic where it's not simplified enough for me. I want to see more or less values. So I'm actually going to hit back a couple times. And I'm going to change this to 5 and see what that does. Hit OK. Open processed image, and that's getting a little bit better. So you can see her cheek is a bit more defined, and all these other colors are changing a little bit more. So I'm going to even push it back even more and see what 4 does. Hit OK. Open processed image, and it's broken it down even more. So this is actually better for me because I get more bigger shapes, and it simplifies drawing her face even more. So then I'm going to go back. I'm going to download this processed image. Okay, so I've downloaded it. Then this is the last step before you submit it on Canvas, is I'm going to go back to Google, and I'm going to open up a Google drawing.